Hi and welcome to the Classical Guitar Playground. I'm Atto and today I'm gonna talk about tremolo and a few different ways to practice this technique. So what is tremolo? Well, on the classical guitar, the most common way is a 4-note pattern played with P, A, M, I in a rapid succession, creating an illusion of a sustained melody. The first exercise is a so-called speed burst exercise where we combine slow notes with fast notes. The little dots above the notes are so-called staccato, which means to shorten the note. To play staccato in this case, we play the first note and immediately place the next finger on the string, creating the staccato effect. And here's the first exercise, and we're going to play it slowly. Exercise 2. Exercise 3. This next exercise is a fun one. Here the thumb moves from string to string. We're going to start on the first string and we're going to play this relatively slowly to begin with. And now for the final exercise, which includes both hands. With these exercises, just start slowly, and when you feel like it, you can increase the speed at will. All the exercises in this video come from this book here, Pumping Nylon by Scott Tennant. It is a classical guitar technique handbook. If you're interested in getting this book, there's a link in the description. Thank you, and until next time, take care.